Oh, this sauce goes very well with the chicken. So good. Alright, good afternoon guys. So today we are back at Popeyes again. Okay, so what I have with me here is a big pile of fried chicken. This is my first time having Popeyes chicken. Okay, so all I know is their chicken is like fresh, not frozen. Okay, on 6th of May, which is their Popeyes day, their 5-piece chicken will be going at $6.90. Okay, their usual price is $15.50. Let's see how many pieces of fried chicken I could put down, and this is my first time having Popeyes, so let's see how many I could eat. Alright, so we're gonna start eating. Okay, Popeyes chickens are all fresh, okay, not frozen. Okay, so we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Okay. Oh, damn good. So good. Oh, this sauce goes very well with the chicken. I think this is the nacho cheese sauce. It goes very well. Oh my god.它的鸡肉真的很大，然后他们的鸡肉是新鲜的，就不是冰冻，是新鲜的鸡肉。一般炸鸡吃多了很容易腻，但是这个不会，它的那个它里面咬下去不会太油，所以吃起来不会很油腻的那种感觉。所以，对我现在吃到我还是很享受的在吃。Wing。I really hear the crunch. Skin is the best part. Okay. 它鸡肉真的很大块，就我不知道是我人吃多了开始有点饱或者什么，但是我觉得它比我一般吃过的那种炸鸡来得大一些。 Is Popeyes a little bit bigger than the normal one? I think special chicken dinner 今天就吃鸡。番茄酱。Yeah, there's a bunch of different sauces that you can go with the chicken. My favorite is actually their nacho sauce. I'm not sure if they come with extra cost or anything, but I'll gladly pay for it because the nacho one is really very flavorful and goes well with the chicken. This is the tomato. This is the ketchup, by the way. Okay, breast. Finally, I found a piece of breast. Breast. Chicken breast, baby. You can really tell that it's fresh, not frozen, because even the breast is moist. It sounds a bit weird, but even the breast is moist. 它的鸡肉真的是新鲜的，不是那个冰冻的，因为它连它的鸡胸肉都很嫩，咬起来都很多汁，所以真的可以吃出那个，对，就是他们不是冰冻的。你们一般吃炸鸡喜欢配什么饮料？我本身喜欢配那种类似可乐或者可乐的那种汽水，因为我本身不喝。我知道很多人喜欢就是吃炸鸡然后配啤酒，但是我不喝酒，所以一般我是配就是那种汽水。Alright, so for those that may or may not know, well, Popeyes Day is the day where they give back to the blue collar. So you know everything is getting more and more expensive, GST and all. But on Popeyes Day, the chicken is going for $6.90. So yeah, it's a day where they actually give back to the public. Just like Peggy said, his skin is the best part. Peggy won't say this when you're eating this much fried chicken. If you're watching this, Peggy, you won't say this when you're eating this much.如果没有错的话，我已经吃了33片，33块炸鸡了，现在还是挺享受的。对，它炸鸡真的很不错，不会太咸，也不会太油腻。OK， 我这里还有多5片，所以加多这5片就是40片炸鸡，所以我们应该吃到40片就好。我本来想吃到50，但是那个店已经开始很多人了，所以就40就够了。I feel like I got 5 more pieces of chicken. Yeah, 5 more pieces, and that'll be 40-piece chicken. Actually, I wanted to go for 50, but it's getting crowded and all, so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop at 40. Oh, oh. Okay, we're done. Okay, 吃完了。Alright, so that's it. So 40-piece chicken eaten in I don't know how long. This is more like a mukbang. I wasn't timing myself. Okay, so anyways, as I mentioned earlier, so they actually have this early bird special. If you guys go between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and you guys buy 2 boxes of their 5-piece chicken, you guys will have a $5 voucher. Okay, so this $5 voucher thing is limited to 40 vouchers every hour, hourly interval in between that timing. Okay, so all of the details, I will link them all down in the description below, so check them out. Okay, if you guys want to find out more, it will all be in the description below. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm not gonna make this video very crazy long or something. Okay, if you guys want to see more of such content, remember to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.